Alright, what are y'all boys? Leaky RT over here. So I'm just getting the tools ready so I can go ahead and take the transmission out of this car. First, what you're gonna need to do, you're gonna have to have you a 10. Always keep it in my pocket. So if you ain't got that 10, you ain't gonna win. Why the fuck did I pop the hood knowing I need to pop the trunk? I need to pop the hood too, but stupid ass nigga. You gotta spin that bitch sometime. Look at all the bullshit from the trees and shit. Battery. Mind y'all, my fucking structure cooked. That bitch just woo. So pretty sure it's the other way around. I don't fucking know. Now we can start taking some stuff apart from the front. So I do have it on some blocks and the jack stands to hold it up high, because it's hard as fuck to get it out. As y'all can see, I already started a little bit. Took the fucking intake off. What my plan is to do, right? Usually I would leave everything how it is, no problem. But when I did take my other engine out, I took the intake manifold off, and I had more access to the transmission bolts back there. So it's a little bit more easier when I take the intake manifold off, because if now you gotta go through the heater hoses, you gotta fuck around and try not to hit the map sensor and the little, you know, vacuum lines and shit. So it's a little bit more easier if I just take this off, because I can just put them two bolts back in, so it'll mount a little bit easier, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and process and take this out. So what you're gonna need is an 8mm. You're gonna need to disconnect your fuel line. What else? Oh, fuck the EGR. Well, I really don't have to take this part off. I just got to take this one off. And that's about it. You want to be easy with these bolts because they're aluminum. Well, the head is aluminum, so you want to be careful with that shit. It's better weight. Matter of fact, let me take that fuel injector off. I think it's a 7/16. Got the fuel rail off. Well, fuel line off. Basically it was just a quick connect, so that's fucking good, perfect. That just came off, didn't leak too much fuel, so I pulled out all these shop towels for nothing. Pretty sure we're gonna be using them. So next up, what we're gonna do is take this EGR line off. Pick my phone up. I just used the phone for like a preview to make sure the camera and shit good. Ooh, I might have to loosen that bitch right though. That's an 8.2. Man, fuck, I hate EGR so much, bro. I want to delete this shit. I ain't gonna hold you. So now we're gonna be taking intake manifold off. Dupin Scorpion raid, nigga. All right, so we're gonna get you. You loose. Loose. Get you down. Get you off. I gotta take this black shit off too. I already loosened this one then. Yeah. I hope that bitch ain't break. There we go. All right. Now the next one that I have to get is down fucking here. I ain't break that one? Okay. That's it. All right. Oh shit. Brake booster line, fuck. Make sure these don't fall into the head, boy. I'm gonna be fucked like a dog. God damn. Oh shit, god damn it, bitch. Oh damn. There we go. We out. Damn, that bitch got dirty. What are y'all boys? Leaky RT is day 2. It's currently 10:09. Yep, 10:09 right now. So what we gonna do now? Yesterday we took the intake manifold off. We disconnected the trans lines up here, and that's about it. So I only took the intake manifold off so I can get better access to the bolts in the back over there. So now what we're about to do is start from the back side. We got most of the front side done. Now we just have to start from the back side, and then we'll unmount the transmission in the middle from the motor. So I got the jack under there already. I'm just gonna grab my tools out of my car, and then we'll start taking those. That should hold it for the moment. Then I can readjust it as I take the drive shaft bolts out. So what you're gonna need for these, you're gonna need a 13 and a 15. Yeah, 13 and 15. So let me go grab those. I'll be right back. Let's get to it. I ain't gonna lie, I like doing videos and shit like this, bro. I actually did I need to? I did. Cause I ain't have enough room to get from back here, you know? I did, actually, I did. Fuck it, we're here now. It'll be more access anyway, be easier. That's one bolt. Two fly on the nigga's head like an air vent. Y'all see where it was just fucking all over my exhaust. Pit convertible on my Glock, it look like Lamborghini. I'm gonna get some catless down, catless down pipes, cause I wanna go long tube headers in the future. Right now I got the shorty headers. I wanna go long tube headers, and I'm on the cats right now. I was catless before, it was way louder, but you know, I wanted to maybe be a little bit less quieter, mostly for the drone and shit. But other than that, you know, I'm just on the shorty headers and then cat it and then straight pipe all the way back. SLP loudmouth is all set up. Catback is all set up beside the cats down pipes. Boys, so it's day 3. I think day 3. We're gonna be taking the trans out today. I gotta take the torque converters out, torque converter bolts out, and mount it from the motor, and that's it. So let's get to it. Pretty sure that's in order to spin the crank over to turn the motor over, I would have to you know, take this fan out down here. I have to take this fan out to get to that crank bolt there. And stuck on it. Let it down a little.
Yeah. Hold it. Might have to take that wheel off, you think?
Yeah. That's as much as it'll go.
Yeah.
No, I'll probably have to just slide it out.
Take it off with a jack.
Yeah, slide it out.
Yeah. You can get it off with a jack.
Yeah. Just gotta bring it forward.
Yeah, we gotta get up underneath that. I'll hold this back part.
Hold on.
Kind of turn that screwdriver, maybe.
Hold on.
Let me
see
yeah,
something.
if you back out a little, RJ, let me see if I can slide it around.
I can just
Oh, we gotta
lean
go
it.
forward, huh?
Yeah. I can lean it off.
Lean it over.
Let me see.
Oh, I can get over there and control that side. we might have to go up a little higher on that jack. RJ? Yeah, let's just let it lean. Watch it.
I got it.
I'm holding.
You can put it up under.
You probably gotta take that tire off.
Yeah. Mike can get it.
Yeah, Mike can get it without.
Yeah.
I'll get this back in.